In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do this quick boho updo on days where you don't have time to curl or you're pushing it for your wash day. Stay tuned.
Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease.
So it's best to start out on a day, maybe day 2 hair, where your curls are very stretched out and kind of beachy, and you're not going to necessarily recycle them for the next day. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it with a headband, but you don't have to use a headband. So starting in the front here, if you have some short pieces that you want to leave out, or you just prefer to have something soft around your face, go ahead and pick the hairs that you would like to leave out. So you can do as little or as much as you'd like. I find it really helpful to not make this area look so sparse when you put a headband on, to take just a little bit of hairs that are in that recession area right there, and it'll make your front hairline look a lot thicker. Then you're going to take your headband and carefully keep out all of that hair you just pulled. I find it much easier to do this now than when the rest of the hair is already up. Okay, so now we need to start with a base to pin everything to. So you're gonna need a small hair tie, and you're gonna start by creating a tiny little ponytail. If you have a lot of density to your hair, you can go ahead and take a bigger ponytail. Now we're gonna create the base. So you're gonna start almost like you could start with a messy bun if that's easier for you. I like to split my ponytail into 2 or 3 sections depending on the size of the ponytail, and wrap it around my fingers a few times. Then you're going to take a bobby pin, open it up, and secure that loop to the base. And then again, I'm going to take my 2 fingers, wrap this around. I'm still leaving a little of the tail out. Take my bobby pin, open it up, secure it to the head. Then you're gonna take the sections that you just did and fan them out nice and big. I'm gonna add another bobby pin for security. Okay, now we're gonna start pinning the rest of the hair to this bun. So you're gonna start by taking sections that are about this size, and you're gonna leave a little bit of slack in the section when you pull it up, and wherever you bring it to the scalp, you're going to take a bobby pin and secure it to the head with a little bit of slack here. And then depending on the length of your hair, you can either leave the rest of this down, or I'm going to pinch it up and bobby pin it right there. So next side, we're just gonna alternate the sides we go on, taking the same size sections, leaving some slack, not too much slack, just enough to where the end result doesn't look really tight. So taking that section, a little bit of slack, bobby pin it to the head. Then with the hair that's left out, I'm gonna pinch where I want the rest of it to be secured. I'm gonna leave those ends out. And I'm gonna repeat this on all of the rest of the hair until I get to the very bottom. So if you want it to look a little bit more messy, you can go ahead and take out, undo some of the bottoms that are tucked in, adjust the height on them if you want, for how much you want to hang down. And that's it. There's your quick boho updo.